In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar easy. By the end, you'll be able to schedule meetings in Google Calendar that automatically include a Microsoft Teams meeting link, so your guests can join with a single click. Start by opening Google Calendar in a web browser. Any modern browser works, and it's best to sign in to the Google account you actually use for scheduling so the add-on ends up in the right place. Give the page a second to fully load so the side panel appears. On the right-hand sidebar, look for the plus sign icon that says Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can safely add features to Calendar. In the search bar at the top, type Microsoft Teams Meeting and select the app from the results. Make sure you choose the official listing so you get the most reliable experience. Click Install, then Continue. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft 365 Work or School account. This step securely connects your Microsoft Teams service to Google Calendar, so Calendar can generate Teams meeting links for your events. You may see a permissions screen. Review it and accept to proceed. If your organization manages accounts centrally, keep in mind that an administrator might need to allow this add-on before you can use it. With the add-on installed, head back to Google Calendar and create a new event. Give it a clear title, pick the correct date and time, and add your guests. It's a good idea to double-check your time zone so the meeting shows correctly for everyone, especially if you often meet with people in other regions. Now, in the event details, click Add Conferencing. Depending on your default settings, it might say Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. Either way, click that menu and choose Microsoft Teams Meeting from the drop-down. Calendar will instantly insert a Teams meeting link right into the event. You'll see the link and dial-in information if your organization's Teams plan provides it. Guests will receive this link in their invitation email and within the event itself, so they can join directly from any device. Once everything looks good, save the event and send the invites. If you ever need to share the link outside the invite, you can open the event later and copy the Teams meeting URL from there. That's all there is to it. Your Google Calendar is now set up to add Microsoft Teams meetings with just a couple of clicks. Thanks for watching and enjoy smoother scheduling across Google Calendar and Microsoft Teams.